my angels, who's ready for another unboxing? I know I am. Today I have a Kurt Geiger unboxing for you ladies. So if you like videos like these, stay tuned to my channel. Remember to hit the like, subscribe to the channel, smash that thumbs up button as well as hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Let's jump right in. So I have this beautiful bag right here from Von Maur, you guys. If you watch my channel, you know I recently went to Von Maur and I went shopping. I went window shopping and I saw a lot of beauties that I wish I could pick up from Von Maur. You guys know we can't have every bag in the world. I wish we could. I wish I could have every bag, but unfortunately I can't. I have to, you know, go ahead and be smart about my choices and make them affordable. So I went to Von Maur and I got home and this was one that I thought about for a long time. If you watch my channel a while back, I picked up a Tory Burch Kiara and I picked it up in beautiful crazy pink and I absolutely love the Tory Burch Kiara. However, there were two versions of that bag, and although I am happy with the Tory Burch Kiara that I picked up, I also admired and loved the Tory Burch Kiara with the top handle. I love top handle bags, vintage Coach top handle bags, all type of top handle bags. So this time around I wanted to pick up top handle bag. It's a crossbody. You could wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, but it also has a lovely top handle, you guys. And wait till you see this bag. If you haven't seen it already, the top handle has two cute, adorable little droopy dog ears, you guys. That's what I think they look like. They're just adorable. So when I went to Von Maur, I always still have to go ahead and be smart and think my choices through. So I got home and I went back online and ordered this beauty because I said, why did I leave her at the store when I knew I always wanted her? I also did a video on my channel about my lovely Kurt Geiger collection, and in that video several months ago, over a year now, I wanted this bag in the red. Originally I wanted this bag in the red, and this is the way it was delivered to me. And I ended up, it was out of stock. It was sold out at that time. At that time it was at Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, and it was sold out in the red. But this time around, you guys, I went with black, classic black. I just figured, first of all, at Von Maur they didn't have the red, and second of all, I love red. It's my favorite color. You could always wear a red bag for a pop of color, but black is so classic and it's so Chanel-esque. You know, until I afford my Chanel Coco handle, I said this bag right here will be able to suffice for me. So this is my lovely beauty right here. She's so pretty. This is the Kurt Geiger top handle, and it's so cute. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like. It has the chain that you can go ahead and wear it as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag, and I love the puffing on this. Coach pillow bag. Okay, watch out, Coach pillow bag. You have a new contender right here. It's so squishy and adorably soft, you guys. So this is the Kurt Geiger top handle bag, and I'm absolutely loving it. And I just love the brass. Kurt Geiger has beautiful brass hardware with the chain. It has a leather strap, comfort strap as well for your shoulder. And this is what I was talking about when I said these two little flaps right here on the top handle just look like two cute, adorable little doggy ears to me. So cute with the classic Kurt Geiger eagle. And let's go ahead and take a look at her on the inside. She has the double snap closure right there. Come through, Von Maur. Come through, Kurt Geiger. Look at all that leather, you guys. Very nice and very affordable, very comparable if you don't want to spend Chanel dollars on like a Chanel flap or something. Kurt Geiger gives you that nice, soft leather. So nice, so nice. Really nice leather. So this is what the interior looks like. And it does have two sides. It's a two-sided compartment in there. And she came with her lovely dust bag. I'm gonna enjoy this bag so much. Years of pleasure out of this beautiful bag. She came with her lovely dust bag. And there's all the puffy quilting. So nice for Kurt Geiger. I just love all that puffy quilting, just like the quilting on diamond quilts, but larger rectangular diamond quilts, similar to Rebecca Minkoff. And the leather is very nice like Rebecca Minkoff and very nice like Chanel as well, but just affordable. Can't go wrong with Kurt Geiger in my opinion. Kurt Geiger has so many lovely bag options right now to choose from. So this is my lovely new beauty in my collection. I'm going to enjoy wearing her crossbody as well as wearing her as a shoulder bag, and definitely sporting her as a top handle, just carrying her like this. I just like the way that's going to look, you guys. Let me go ahead and close her up so you guys can see. I'm going to enjoy carrying her top handle like this. So I just wanted to talk about her a little bit. And this is her tag right here. This bag was originally $315 and Von Maur had a sale on it for $211. So I had to go ahead and take advantage of the sale. This is what it looks like on the bottom. All that beautiful leather right there. And it's so nice when you get one through the mail that is in very good condition, because sometimes, I have to admit, sometimes when I get home and you order a bag after you see it in the store, I do get worried a little bit sometimes when you order, because you don't know what they're going to send you. I've had that experience happen with other companies and different brands, that different stores and different department stores. You order something, you expect it to come new in the mail, brand new, and sometimes you get a return. Sometimes you get a bag that might have a little bit of, not wear, but a little irregularity to it. I know that happened to me with one of my Dooney and Burke bags, but fortunately, I kept my fingers crossed, you guys, and this beauty arrived in the mail. So nice. I was worried about how they were gonna wrap the chain, because, you know, I've talked about this on my channel before. If you lay your chain on a puffed quilted leather bag, when it's laying flat, that imprint will push down and leave a mark on your bag, and you don't want that to happen. And Von Maur didn't go ahead and, you know, separately wrap this chain, but fortunately enough, the bag was delivered and I didn't have any problems with it. It was delivered and it didn't have any imprints or any markings on the leather. So what I'm gonna do is admire this beauty, y'all, today, love her up, probably take her with me to work one day this week, and I will be back after, you know, using her, and come back with a what fits in my bag, as well as a lovely review of how I'm enjoying this beauty. So stay tuned to my channel for more reviews on Kurt Geiger. Stay tuned to my channel for more unboxing and reviews, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.